So doctor, I've been told or have a good idea that I need a crown, so what exactly are you going to be doing? What's the process? What do we do there? We have to reduce the dimensions, the overall dimensions of the tooth to make room for a crown to fit over it. It's called a preparation. It's done under local anesthesia, and we just reduce the dimensions of about 1.5 millimeters, not a whole lot. Once that's complete, we either take a dental impression, or what's new and what I've just started getting into is a dental scan. It takes a photo scan of your tooth and relays that information to a dental lab, and a crown can be made using CAD/CAM technology, and we can usually get your crown back and in your mouth in around a week, as opposed to the traditional dental impressions that required at least 2 weeks. You will be leaving after the preparation with a temporary crown on to keep it covered, so it's not sensitive and so that you have something to chew on. When you come back and remove the temporary, we cement the real crown in place, and that's the end of that.